how to make a Game Pass and please donate in Roblox Mobile. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can make a Game Pass onto the please donate experience in Roblox Mobile. It's very simple. So all I have to do first is of course pull up your Roblox application and ensure that you're logged in. Next is to pull up just three lines at the upper left, scroll all the way down, and then choose this option here that says Create, and then you will be redirected into the Creation tab of Roblox. Once you got here, tap on the three lines again at the upper left, and then choose on Creations. And then in here, you will be provided with the experiences or maps that you have or place. Just simply tap on any place that you prefer. And again, tap on the three lines at the upper left, and then go into monetization, and then choose on passes. Then here, tap on Create Pass, and then you can actually change the picture of your Game Pass right there by just tapping on change, and then just simply name it onto the name that you prefer. So for example, this one, testing, scroll down and then choose on Create Pass. Once you successfully created a pass, it will automatically be reflected below. Tap on the pass that you just created, and then choose on the three lines once again, the upper left, and then choose on Sales. And then in here, make sure that the price is turned on, and then just simply input the specific amount that you would like to be posted onto the cart that you have onto the Place Donate experience. And that's it. That's how you make Game Pass and Please Donate in Roblox Mobile.